Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. This is Bhakta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is the noun cases. What is a noun cases? The case of a noun tells us about the position of a sentence. In English, there are 5 cases. They are nominative case, objective case, dedicated case, possessive case, or genitive case, vocative case. What is a nominative case? A noun or pronoun is said to be in a nominate case if it is a subject of a verb. For example, Mr. Ram is an intelligent boy. Mr. Ram is a proper noun in nominate case. The painter paints the protest. The painter is a common noun in nominate case. These examples carry another term pronoun which is a word used to represent a noun. For example, we, you, she, it, and they are 7 pronouns. Note: to find the nominate, put who or what before the verb. Number 2. Objective case. A noun or pronoun is said to be in the objective case if it is the object of a verb. For example, I meet your sister. Your sister is in objective case. Note: to find the objective, put whom or what before the verb and its subjects. A noun which comes after a preposition is also to be in the objective case. For example, a book is on the table. Table is in objective case. It is the objective of the preposition on. Dative case. A noun is said to be in dative case if it is an indirect object after verb. Indirect object after verb is a noun for whom or for which the action of the verb is carried out. Note: their subject not be a preposition before direct, because in that case it will be applied object of the preposition. For example, a teacher gives the student few exercise. Student is in dative case. It is the indirect object of the verb. The postman brought me a letter. Me is in dative case. Vocative case. A noun or pronoun said to be in vocative case if it is subject to call or get the attention of a person or persons. For example, Mr. Bailey, students are waiting for you in the main hall. Mr. Bailey is a vocative case. Thanks for my watching video. Hope have a nice day.